Weekend Modder here with a quick send-in service proof video for Jonathan R. Jonathan, this is the console that you sent in for RGH service. It's a Trinity motherboard. We went ahead and RGH'd it using the ACE V3 with CR4 speed-up technique. That's from the new batch of ACEs that we have that are kind of old stock. There's a backup disk taped to the top of the console here that has copies of your original NAND, your updflash.bin, which is the NAND currently written to your console. And as you can see there, successful. We left the LEDs the default green as indicated on your send-in form, was your request. And then you'll see here that the console will automatically start up into Freestyle Dashboard, Dash Launch, XEX Menu, and Aurora Dash are all also preloaded. So be sure to check out the links that are in your final confirmation email that has your tracking number and your proof video link to this video. There's a couple of good ones, a link to a playlist of just about anything you could want to do with an RGH, and a link to a little guide by me of how to navigate around. So thanks for your business. Hope you enjoy, and take care.